Welcome to Acorn Stairlifts. In this video, I'll briefly explain what goes into making a stairlift for a customer's home. Over the years, Acorn has invested millions of pounds in developing and expanding its manufacturing facility, but we're proud to say that we kept our manufacturing here in the UK with factories in West Yorkshire and also in Scotland. A stairlift comprises of two main components. The first is the rail system. Where curved staircases are concerned, we designed and built our rail as a modular system which can cope easily with complex configurations. The second component is the stairlift itself, the seat and the carriage. That is the chair and motor combination that rides on the rail. This has to blend seamlessly into any home and have automatic smooth start and stop functions that will give the customer a safe and pleasant journey. All of our components are rigorously tested for quality and control before they leave the factory. And by keeping the manufacturing here in the UK, we're able to utilise British engineering excellence and pay close attention to detail. Our manufacturing teams are kept very busy as we're building and installing more than 65,000 stairlifts a year. That equates to giving someone's life a lift somewhere in the world every 8 minutes. To find out more about Acorn Stairlifts, feel free to give us a call.